my amazing people, welcome to my channel. Do you want to open a YouTube channel but you don't know where to start from and you don't know the niche to go for? I'm here for you because I'm going to be giving you the 5 best niches to go for in YouTube. And number 1 is teaching people how to make money online. Of course, many people want to learn how to earn online. For example, affiliate marketing, online side hustles, and YouTube monetization tips. Many people want to know how to earn online. So of course, you're likely to get big audience if you're teaching people how to make money online. Number 2, storytelling channels. This particular niche is growing very fast on YouTube. Yes, I said what I said. For example, crime stories, relationship stories, inspirational stories. Go ahead and tell people nice and lovely stories, and of course you're going to get big and great audience for that. Number 3, tutorials and how to niche. This niche is also very important because many people come to YouTube to try or learn new things. You can start with maybe phone editing tutorials, app tutorials, or you can even go for screen record teaching videos. Of course, people will be interested to know how to learn 1 or 2 things here on YouTube. Number 4, reaction video niche. Wow, this niche is a very underrated niche, but many people are actually going for it and it's actually growing. This particular kind of niche is actually growing fast on YouTube. You can go ahead and search for viral videos or trending topics, react to them, and you're likely to get great audience for that. Okay? And 5, the last but not the least, is the YouTube faceless niche. Yes, if you're the type that don't want to show your face, you can go for this type of niche. Yes, if you are the type that don't want people to know you, you can go for this type of niche. It's really growing fast, and you can post educational content, AI video content. They tend to grow very, very fast. Okay? And another thing why considering the niche to go for is that you make sure you like doing whatever you're going for so that you can be consistent with it. Because sometimes when we go for things that we don't like, we tend not to be consistent like that. But if you can pick the one that you're actually interested in, you're likely to be consistent, and that's a very good thing. That will boost your channel. Okay, guys, thank you for listening. To get more tips on how to grow your YouTube channel or how to get your YouTube monetized, I would love you to subscribe to my channel. Okay, guys, take care. Bye.